In our last video, we showed how to choose the right lure. Now that you've picked your fishing spot, it's time to catch some fish. We're out fishing with our friend Brian from River Run Bass Charters. Let's talk about how to catch a fish. First off, if you have a spinning fishing reel, start by flipping the bail. Hold on to the fishing line as you pull back and let go as you cast. Flip the bail back over. As you wait, keep your tip of the rod down. When a fish bites, you'll need to set the hook. Setting the hook means to yank the hook up or to the side in one movement and reel it in while keeping your line taut. By setting the hook, you plant the hook more firmly in the fish's mouth so it won't get away. Reel the fish in and keep your rod down until you can scoop it up with a net. Do not let the line get loose, so even if the fish jumps out of the water, it won't get loose. If the hook is hard to get out, use pliers and gently pull the hook out of the fish's mouth. There's no need to be aggressive or tear the fish unless you have to. If you're releasing the fish, put it back in the water quickly. But if you decide to keep it, add it to your fish stringer and put it back in the water to keep it fresh. The next video in our fishing series, we'll show you how to fillet your fish, and to cap off our series, we'll tell you how to fry them up. We've got some affiliate links in the description with lures and rods we recommend. Check them out. Happy fishing! Thanks for watching our video. Bye!